Class names should follow Pascal case, where the first letter of each word is capitalized. Class names should clearly describe the purpose of the class and its responsibility. A class should have a single responsibility. If a class is doing too much, consider splitting it into smaller, more focused classes. Avoid excessively long class names, as they can be cumbersome to use. Try to be concise while still being descriptive. Class names should clearly indicate their purpose and should not be overly generic or abbreviated unless the abbreviation is widely understood. For specific types of classes, use appropriate suffixes to clearly indicate their function. Organize related classes into the same namespace and folder for better structure and readability. Avoid nesting classes unless it is absolutely necessary. Nested classes can make code harder to maintain and understand. Consistency in class naming conventions is crucial for readability and maintainability. Ensure that the same patterns are applied across the project to keep the structure uniform.